brillig and a slight show to guide you. 'Twas brillig, and the slithy toves did gyre and gimble in the wabe. Oh, mumsy were the borogoves, and the mome raths outgrabe. Beware the Jabberwock, my son, the jaws that bite, the jaws that catch. Beware the jubber bird, and shun the frumious bandersnatch. He took his vorpal sword in hand, long time the max known foe he sought, till he rested under the tum-tum tree, and stood a while in thought. And as he stood in uffish thought, a Jabberwock with eyes aflame came crashing through the togly wood, and it burbled as it came. 1, 2, and through, the vorpal blade went snicker-snack. He left it dead, and with his head he went galumping back. And hast thou slain the Jabberwock, my son? Come into my arms, my beamish boy. Callooh, callay, he chortled in his joy. 'Twas brillig, and the slithy toves did gyre and gimble in the wabe. Oh, mumsy were the borogoves, and the mome raths outgrabe.